In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your vendors efficiently through your accounting software, a critical task for ensuring steady cash flow and maintaining strong relationships with your suppliers. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate over to the vendors section of your accounting platform. This is your central hub for managing all things related to your vendors and keeping track of what bills need attention. Once you're there, look for the option that says Pay Bills. This is typically housed under a broad set of features, perhaps in a drop-down menu under Vendors, depending on the interface you're using. Here you'll see a comprehensive list of all the bills you owe. It's important to keep this updated, so if you see any discrepancies, now would be a good time to address those. After accessing your list of bills, your next step is to carefully select which bills you want to pay. This might sound simple, but it requires a bit of strategy. You want to consider due dates and any potential discounts for early payments. Click on each bill to select it. Often, these systems will let you view additional details about each bill, which is especially useful if you're unsure about the particulars of what you owe. Reviewing this information can help in deciding the order of payments when working with limited funds. Once you've selected the bills, it's time to choose your payment method. Most platforms offer several methods, such as ACH transfers, wire, or check payments, so you can pick what best suits your needs. Some vendors might even offer a small discount for paying electronically, so you may want to check if that's applicable. If you're not already guided by your platform, there's usually a clear option marked Payment Method where you can make this selection. Choose wisely, factoring in things like processing times if you're on a tight deadline, as well as any potential fees associated with different payment forms. Finally, with both your bills and payment method selected, you're ready to proceed. There should be a button labeled Pay Selected Bills or something similar. Clicking this will usually bring up a confirmation screen listing your payment details for a final review. This is one last chance to double check that everything is in order and that you're comfortable with the amounts being withdrawn from your account. Always make use of this summary to prevent any unintended errors. In conclusion, understanding how to navigate your vendor payment system can enhance your financial stability and vendor relationships. Be methodical in selecting your bills and payment methods, and don't rush through those final confirmations. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to guiding you through more efficient business processes.